Welcome to this short video on Read and Publish Agreements at JCU Library, which provide another way to make your work open access. JCU Library and the Council of Australasian University Librarians have negotiated agreements with publishers to allow existing library expenditure, also known as READ, to be utilised for JCU researchers to publish their work open access in over 10,000 journals. Articles published via the JCU Read and Publish Agreements will be made open access immediately without incurring any fees for the authors. Head to the JCU Open Access Guide to browse through the list of journals where you may be able to publish open access. As you can see, we have a number of agreements with many well-known publishers listed in this table, along with links to extra information, the Creative Commons licenses you can apply to your work, and whether or not the publisher agreement is subject to an article cap during the calendar year. To help your search, we have compiled an A to Z title list, which lists the journals eligible under the JCU Read and Publish Agreements. You can filter and search for journal titles or field of research codes based on keywords. Keep note of whether the journal is hybrid or fully open access, who the publisher is, and if there is a publishing cap. To assist researchers with making informed decisions about where to publish, we have added site score information for journals in our Read and Publish Agreements to a downloadable Excel spreadsheet. Note that the spreadsheet only lists the Scopus subject area associated with the highest site score percentile achieved by the journal. Site score is updated around the middle of each calendar year, and site score only measures past citation performance and should not be the only factor you consider when selecting a journal to publish in. Once you select a journal, it is important to check the conditions and instructions listed for each publisher, as their processes may vary. For example, some publishers charge for extra colour or page fees depending on the journal. These fees are not covered by the article processing charge, and you will need to find additional funding for them. It is also important to note that some agreements are subject to a nationwide publishing cap, which means if your article is accepted by the publisher after the cap is reached, JCU will no longer be able to waive the article processing charge to make your work open access. Remember, to be eligible for access to the Read and Publish Agreements, you need 3 things. Number 1, to be the corresponding author on the paper. Number 2, to use your JCU email address. And number 3, to list JCU as your affiliation. If you have any questions about making your research open access, or you would like to take advantage of the JCU Read and Publish Agreements, please visit our guide or contact the library for more information.